Hi, this is Diana Walker, CEO of Diana's Healthy Lifestyles at Diana2.com, and I'm here visiting my sister Goldie, and we are naturally having our Kelly tea to start. This is my favorite drink, and she has made me a very beautiful breakfast, a healthy breakfast, and I'll get Goldie to tell you what she puts in this breakfast.
All right. Yes, I'm so excited my sister's visiting me. And in this healthy breakfast, we have a serving of fruit. We've got some beautiful wild blueberries. And then we added organic yogurt. And with that, we have 4 different types of seeds, which we know are a very good source of our omega-3s and omega-6s. We have flaxseed, which has been ground. We have sesame seed and sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. And these are organic and they're raw. And they give us lots of energy until our next meal.
So enjoy and visit us on our websites and have a healthy day.